This is Totally Free Tommy, and welcome to my Walgreens Couponing 101 course. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for it, like this video, and drop a comment below with any questions or concerns you may have, or even if you would just like to say hi. Before we dive in, I thought I'd take a moment to talk about what couponing is in the first place. Couponing is the purposeful act of using all available resources to legally save money on product purchases. As the name suggests, couponing often entails the use of paper and/or digital coupons, which provide discounts on items at the expense of either the product's manufacturer or the store selling them. However, especially in recent years, couponing has expanded to include the use of rebate apps, store rewards, and more to save shoppers even more money. There are varying degrees to which someone might coupon. Some choose to simply utilize digital coupons to save a few extra dollars on their shopping trips, while others meticulously plan their transactions so in depth that they can even get paid to walk out of stores with free items. Both of these extremes are valid, so long as they are done legally. In our society, we are always spending or saving either time or money. How a person coupons may be informed on which of the two they value more or wish to save more. Walgreens and other drugstores get a bad rap for being overpriced. While it is true that their everyday prices tend to be higher for most products than what those same products cost at other retailers, shoppers can enjoy exceptional and unique value at Walgreens through the combination of store sales, coupons, store rewards, and rebate apps. Couponing at Walgreens can be as simple as clipping a digital coupon to your My Walgreens account or as complicated as, well, we'll get into the weeds of it in a moment. Whichever level of couponing shoppers decide is best for them, couponing at Walgreens can be an incredible tool to save significant amounts of money on household essentials, personal care products, and more. Because of this, many savvy shoppers have learned how to best take advantage of all the money-saving perks couponing at Walgreens entails. And so can you. In this lesson, we'll go over a definition of terms, the differences between Walgreens deals, and examples to demonstrate those different deals. Let's build a strong foundation by going over definitions first. My Walgreens is Walgreens' free membership program that allows users to unlock sale prices and the use of Walgreens rewards, such as Walgreens Cash and Register rewards. New users can sign up for free at Walgreens website, in the Walgreens app, or in store at checkout. Walgreens Cash is a My Walgreens reward in the form of digital Walgreens currency earned and automatically added to a user's account when qualifying purchases are made. My Walgreens users can find their available balance in the settings section of their account. Register rewards are a My Walgreens reward in the form of Walgreens exclusive coupons printed from the Catalina machine at the register when qualifying purchases are made. A buy deal is a deal involving a promotion giving a certain reward for buying a certain quantity of items. A spend deal is a deal involving a promotion giving a certain reward for spending a certain amount of money on specific items. A spend booster is a paper or digital store coupon that adds a certain amount of Walgreens cash to a user's My Walgreens account when they spend a certain amount of money in one transaction. The term out-of-pocket refers to the cost paid by a consumer's own money after all discounts, coupons, and redeemed rewards. Saving scenarios generally do not include taxes due to differences in local tax rates, and shoppers are encouraged to factor in sales tax when calculating the final cost of their own deals. A manufacturer coupon, or MFR coupon, is a one-time use paper or digital coupon originating from a product manufacturer, and it counts as money paid towards spend deals. A Walgreens store coupon is a primarily paper, though occasionally digital, one-time use coupon originating from Walgreens, and does not count as money paid towards spend deals. An instant value coupon, or IVC, is a Walgreens store coupon that is deducted from each qualifying item in a transaction. Paper versions can be found in Walgreens' monthly book of savings and can be used more than once, but digital versions on the Walgreens app are one-time use. A promo code is a discount code that will take a certain amount or percentage off qualifying items in a curbside or shipping order. It does not work for in-store purchases, and discounts from promo codes do not count as money paid towards spend deals. Rolling rewards is lowering your out-of-pocket costs by paying down the balance of a transaction with existing rewards while also earning new rewards for qualifying items purchased in the same transaction. Rebate apps are mobile apps for smartphones that give rewards for completing certain tasks, such as purchasing or scanning an item, that can be redeemed for real-world rewards, such as money added to a user's PayPal account or gift cards. A Catalina machine is a small machine next to the register that prints out register rewards, paper spend boosters, store coupons, manufacturer coupons, and more. The contactless pay or pay in store option is a payment option on the Walgreens app for in-store purchases and must be used when using a paper spend booster and trying to use Walgreens cash in the same transaction. Price matching is matching the in-store price of an item to its price on the Walgreens app or website. Not every location or store manager allows price matching, but many do. Early activation or double dipping is the 1-hour time span on Saturdays from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. where some sales and promotions from one week overlap with those for the next week. Now let's get into the different types of coupons. Manufacturer coupons are one-time use coupons originating from a product manufacturer. They can be digital, as those found on the Walgreens app or website, or paper, as those found in newspapers or other printed sources or printed from certain online websites. It's worth noting that digital coupons found on other retailers' apps or websites cannot be redeemed at Walgreens. Also, digital coupons found on the Walgreens app or website cannot be printed out to be redeemed in store. Multiple manufacturer coupons can be used in a transaction as long as they each have an item to attach to. Digital manufacturer coupons can be applied towards in-store purchases and curbside or shipping orders, whereas paper manufacturer coupons can be only applied towards in-store purchases. Digital manufacturer coupons can be found and clipped in the coupon section of the My Walgreens app or website, where users must have an account to access them. Manufacturer coupons tend to be a dollar amount off, and percent off versions are rare. Finally, manufacturer coupons do act as money paid towards a spend deal. Walgreens store coupons are one-time use coupons originating from Walgreens. They can be either paper, as those printed from the Catalina machine, or digital, as those found on the Walgreens app or website, though digital versions are less common. Only one store coupon can be used per transaction. Digital store coupons can be applied towards in-store purchases and curbside or shipping orders, whereas paper store coupons can only be applied towards in-store purchases. Digital store coupons can be found and clipped in the coupon section on the Walgreens app or website, which requires a My Walgreens account to access. Store coupons tend to be a dollar amount off, but percent off versions are not uncommon. Finally, Walgreens store coupons do not count as money paid towards spend deals. Now let's go over how to apply coupons towards a transaction. Digital manufacturer and store coupons on the Walgreens app and website are tied to a specific My Walgreens account and cannot be transferred between users. They must be clipped in the shopper's My Walgreens account prior to the transaction for which they are to be applied. For in-store purchases, digital coupons will come off of eligible purchases at checkout when the shopper enters the phone number associated with their account in the credit card keypad. For online orders, either curbside or shipping, they will automatically come off in the cart screen. Paper manufacturer and store coupons are not tied to any My Walgreens account and can technically be used by anyone. Shoppers simply hand the cashier their paper coupons to scan at checkout to apply them. Now let's go over the different types of Walgreens rewards. Walgreens Cash is a My Walgreens reward in the form of digital Walgreens currency earned and automatically added to a user's My Walgreens account when qualifying purchases are made. Walgreens Cash can be earned from and applied towards in-store purchases and curbside or shipping orders. Walgreens Cash expires 1 year after being earned or after 6 months of not using any Walgreens Cash in a transaction. It can be redeemed in increments of $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $20, or $50 per transaction. A maximum of $50 of Walgreens Cash can be redeemed in one transaction, and a maximum of $100 of Walgreens Cash can be redeemed in one day. Walgreens Cash can be earned multiple times per transaction, and it does not count as money paid towards spend deals. Register rewards are a My Walgreens reward in the form of Walgreens exclusive coupons printed from the Catalina machine at the register when qualifying purchases are made. Register rewards can only be earned from and applied towards in-store purchases and tend to expire around 14 days after printing. Register rewards can either be manufacturer or store coupons. One store register reward can be used per transaction, but multiple manufacturer register rewards can be used per transaction so long as they each have an item to attach to that does not already have a manufacturer coupon attaching to it. Register rewards can only be earned once per deal per transaction, but multiple transactions can be done for a deal to yield multiple rewards. Finally, manufacturer register rewards do count as money paid towards spend deals, but store register rewards do not. Now let's talk about how to apply Walgreens rewards towards a transaction. Walgreens Cash is tied to a specific My Walgreens account and cannot be transferred between users. For in-store purchases, Walgreens Cash can be used by asking the cashier to apply a certain amount to a transaction, followed by the shopper entering the phone number associated with their account in the credit card keypad. For online orders, either curbside or shipping, shoppers can use Walgreens Cash by selecting the amount they wish to apply to a transaction at checkout. Register rewards, and paper spend boosters for that matter, are not tied to any My Walgreens account and can technically be used by anyone. Shoppers simply hand the cashier their register reward to scan at checkout to apply them. Now let's discuss how Walgreens rewards can help you save money. Because My Walgreens rewards such as Walgreens Cash and register rewards can be used as payment for almost any item at Walgreens, they can help lower the out-of-pocket cost of a transaction and save shoppers money. Many advanced couponers strongly advocate that shoppers roll the rewards to maximize savings. Rolling rewards means applying existing rewards towards the balance of a transaction to lower the out-of-pocket costs associated with it and earning new rewards in the same transaction for the purchase of qualifying products in the order. Rolling rewards is a powerful tool to save money at Walgreens because it not only results in a lower out-of-pocket cost for a transaction, but also ensures that a shopper's existing rewards are replenished and available for future purchases. However, to successfully roll My Walgreens rewards, shoppers should learn the different types of deals and promotions that Walgreens runs and how each of them yield the rewards. Now let's go over the two different types of deals that Walgreens runs primarily. Those two being buy deals and spend deals. Buy deals are easier and more beginner-friendly, whereas spend deals require more attention and strategizing. As a reminder, buy deals are deals involving promotions giving a certain reward for buying a certain quantity of items. Since almost any combination of rewards, coupons, and/or out-of-pocket costs can be used as payment and still yield rewards as part of a buy deals are the easiest type of deal to successfully roll rewards with at Walgreens. New Walgreens couponers might consider mastering buy deals before tackling the more advanced spend deals. Since the only stipulation to get a reward as part of a buy deal is to buy a certain amount of product, you can freely use Walgreens cash and/or register rewards as part of a buy deal and still earn the reward. The only caveat is using a previously earned register reward from one deal in a transaction including the same deal will not print out a new register reward. Now let's practice using some real-world examples. Let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you buy 2 select tubes of Colgate toothpaste, you will earn $4 of Walgreens cash. You want to purchase 2 qualifying tubes and use some of your existing Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $4 of Walgreens cash back? Take a moment to think about it and I'll show the answer on the next screen. Because the minimum quantity of specified products was purchased, yes, you will get the Walgreens cash back. Now let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you buy 2 select Oral-B toothbrushes, you will earn a $4 register reward. You want to purchase 2 qualifying toothbrushes and use some of your existing Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $4 register reward? Take a moment to think about it and I'll show the answer on the next screen. Once again, since the minimum quantity of specified products is purchased, yes, you will get the register reward. In this example, Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you buy 3 select packages of Angel Soft bath tissue, you will earn a $3 register reward. You want to purchase 3 qualifying packages and use a register reward you earned from completing a different deal in a previous transaction to lower your out-of-pocket costs. Will you earn the $3 register reward? Take a minute to think about it and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Because the minimum quantity of specified products was purchased and a register reward from a different deal was used for payment, yes, you will get the register reward as part of this deal. In our final example, Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you buy 2 select tubes of Crest toothpaste, you will earn a $4 register reward. You want to purchase 2 qualifying tubes and use the register reward you earned from completing the same deal in a previous transaction to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $4 register reward? Take a moment to think about it and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Although the minimum quantity of specified products was purchased, a register reward from the same deal was used for payment, so no, you will not get the register reward as part of this deal. Now let's move on to spend deals. Spend deals are deals involving promotions giving a certain reward for spending a certain amount of money on specific items. Previously earned My Walgreens rewards can be applied towards almost any transaction, including those that are part of a spend deal. However, rolling rewards as part of a spend deal can require extra attention and strategizing. If Walgreens cash is the reward given as part of a spend deal, Walgreens will only give the reward if the amount of money required to be spent is actually paid to Walgreens, either by the shopper through their out-of-pocket cost or by manufacturers through the coupon reimbursements Walgreens receives from manufacturer coupons. Because of this, to successfully roll existing My Walgreens rewards to lower the out-of-pocket cost of a transaction when completing a spend deal rewarding Walgreens cash, the spend minimum of the deal must be met between manufacturer coupons and pre-tax out-of-pocket costs before any My Walgreens rewards can be applied towards the transaction. In addition to manufacturer coupons plus the pre-tax out-of-pocket costs needing to reach or exceed the spend minimum to earn Walgreens cash from a spend deal, the transaction must have an amount of qualifying products whose cost before manufacturer coupons, but after store coupons or promo codes, reaches the spend minimum. Because of this, store coupons and promo codes can inadvertently reduce a transaction's spend total since they do not count towards the minimum spend requirement. Manufacturer coupons for items in a transaction that are not part of a spend deal still count as money paid towards a spend deal in Walgreens' system. This is not coupon misuse because the coupons in question are still being used on the correct items. It is simply taking advantage of the fact that Walgreens' system views all manufacturer coupons as money paid. Product-specific spend deals cannot be stacked together, i.e. only reaching the highest spend minimum and getting the rewards for all, but multiple can be completed in one transaction if the qualifications for all are met in the same transaction. If shoppers build up their cart to the point that the total of all manufacturer coupons of the transaction meet or exceed the spend minimum amount in a spend deal rewarding Walgreens cash, existing Walgreens cash can be used to pay down the remaining balance and the Walgreens cash reward will still be earned as part of the spend deal. The only exception is the use of a register reward that was rewarded from the same deal. Since manufacturer coupons plus the pre-tax out-of-pocket costs must equal or exceed the minimum spend amount before Walgreens cash will be given as part of a spend deals can be the more difficult type of deal to successfully roll rewards with at Walgreens. Now let's go ahead and practice using some examples. Let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you spend $20 or more on Nexus products, you will earn $10 of Walgreens cash. Your cart has $40 of products, $25 of which are Nexus products, $10 of manufacturer coupons from various items in your cart, and you want to use $10 of your existing Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $10 of Walgreens cash back? Take a moment to think about it, and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Because the cost of qualifying items meets the spend minimum and the spend minimum was reached between manufacturer coupons and pre-tax out-of-pocket, yes, you will get the Walgreens cash back as part of this deal. Now let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you spend $20 or more on Gillette products, you will earn $10 of Walgreens cash. Your cart has $30 of products, $20 of which are Gillette products, $5 of manufacturer coupons from various items in your cart, and you want to use $20 of your existing Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $10 of Walgreens cash back? Take a moment to think about it, and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Although the cost of qualifying items meets the spend minimum in this example, the spend minimum was not reached between manufacturer coupons and pre-tax out-of-pocket. So no, you will not get the Walgreens cash back as part of this deal. Now let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you spend $20 or more on select Nivea products, you will get $10 of Walgreens cash. Your cart has $40 of product, $15 of which are Nivea products, $5 of manufacturer coupons from various items in your cart, and you want to use $20 of your existing Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $10 of Walgreens cash back? Take a moment to think about it, and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Because the cost of the qualifying items did not meet the spend minimum, even though that spend minimum was reached between manufacturer coupons and pre-tax out-of-pocket, no, you will not get the Walgreens cash back as part of this deal. Now let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you spend $20 or more on TresureMe products, you will earn a $10 register reward. Your cart has $30 of products, $25 of which are from TresureMe products, $10 of manufacturer coupons from various items in your cart, and you want to use $20 of your existing Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $10 register reward? Take a moment to think about it, and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Because the cost of qualifying items meets the spend minimum, yes, you will get the register reward back as part of this order. Now let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you spend $20 or more on Cantu products, you will get a $10 register reward. Your cart has $35 of products, $25 of which are Cantu products, $20 of manufacturer coupons from various items in your cart, and you want to use a $10 register reward you earned from completing a different deal in a previous transaction to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you get the $10 register reward? Take a moment to think about it, and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Because the cost of qualifying items meets the spend minimum, and because the register reward that was used as payment was from a different deal, yes, you will get the register reward back as part of this deal. As a final example, let's say Walgreens is running a promotion stating that when you spend $20 on Pantene products, you will earn a $10 register reward. Your cart has $35 of products, $25 of which are Pantene products, $15 of manufacturer coupons from various items in your cart, and you want to use a $10 register reward you earned from completing the same deal in a previous transaction to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Will you earn the $10 register reward? Take a moment to think about it, and I'll show you the answer on the next screen. Although the cost of qualifying items meets the spend minimum, a register reward from the same deal was used as payment, so no, you will not get the register reward back as part of this deal. Whew, that's a lot to keep in mind, and there are even more potential scenarios that could keep you on your toes. Take a moment to breathe and reflect on what you've learned. Don't be afraid or embarrassed to take your time in learning the process. It can be a lot after all. Now let's talk about spend boosters. Similar to spend deals, spend boosters award a certain amount of Walgreens cash for a transaction that reaches a certain spend amount in manufacturer coupons plus pre-tax out-of-pocket. One digital spend booster per week is added to the coupon section of many, but not all, My Walgreens users' accounts, typically between Wednesday and Saturday. Paper spend boosters occasionally print from the Catalina machine at checkout. There is no way to increase the likelihood of getting one or the quality of the ones received. Digital spend boosters can be used for online orders or in-store purchases, while paper spend boosters can only be used in-store. For in-store purchases, one paper and one digital spend booster can be stacked in a transaction, and both can be stacked in with one spend deal in a transaction. Whichever spend minimum is highest must be met in manufacturer coupons plus pre-tax out-of-pocket cost to earn the rewards for all. Because of the way Walgreens system works, the use of a paper spend booster in a transaction will not allow a shopper to use any of their existing Walgreens cash in the transaction unless they pay via the contactless pay or pay in store method, which can be found in the Walgreens app under Settings, then My Walgreens Cash Rewards, then View Your Wallet. From there, once an amount of Walgreens cash to be redeemed is selected, the shopper will press Continue and a barcode for the cashier to scan will appear. This payment method utilizes a payment card on file and goes around Walgreens system to allow the use of Walgreens cash towards a transaction using a paper spend booster. However, to earn the rewards from the spend booster, the spend minimum still must be reached between the manufacturer coupons plus the pre-tax out-of-pocket cost from the transaction. There is an art to using paper spend boosters most efficiently that differs a bit by location. Some couponers suggest the following order of operations. 1. Ring up all items. 2. Price match items to their online price, if applicable. 3. Enter my Walgreens account phone number into credit card keypad. 4. Scan paper spend booster. 5. Scan store coupon or store register reward, if applicable. 6. Scan any manufacturer register rewards, if applicable. 7. Scan any additional paper manufacturer coupons, if applicable. And finally, 8. Scan contactless pay barcode. Now let's discuss early activation. Often referred to as double dipping, early activation is a 1-hour time span on Saturday nights from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. where some sales and promotions from one week overlap with those for the next week. Although never a guarantee, the payoff when it works correctly is often a double dip between the rewards of 2 sales weeks. Orders or purchases made during early activation can also result in receiving the better sales price of one week with the reward of another week. For online orders, early activation takes place from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Time, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Central Time, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Mountain Time, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Time, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Alaskan Time, and 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Hawaiian Time. For in-store purchases, early activation takes place from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. local time. Thus, in-store early activation can only be done at stores that are open late. And finally, of course, don't forget rebate apps. On top of all the savings that coupons and My Walgreens rewards provide, rebate apps offer additional savings through cashback and gift card rewards. Popular rebate apps include Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks or Tada or Inbox Dollars or My Points, Checkout 51, Fetch Rewards, Rakuten, Top Cashback, Brand Club, and more. If you visit my personalized link tree, you can save even more when you sign up for these apps. This brings us to the end of our lesson, and I want to thank you so much for your time and attention. In my opinion, Walgreens couponing is perhaps the most difficult form of couponing because of all these little rules and stipulations that we just learned about. However, with practice comes skill and knowledge, and I promise you that if you learn the rules and keep attempting deals at Walgreens, you will get it down eventually. In the meantime, feel free to visit my link tree to purchase a Walgreens spend calculator that I personally created to help you easily determine if you can use Walgreens cash on a spend deal and still get the Walgreens cash reward back from it. It only costs $4 and it can be a big help to both newbie and experienced couponers alike. Also be sure to check me out on TikTok where I try to post deals every single week to help you save money. And once again, if you found this content helpful or you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for it, like this video, and drop a comment below. Thank you once again, and happy couponing!